Hello, welcome to my new YouTube channel, Paint with Paul, in which I show you the processes I take when I create a painting. And I'll be putting lots of videos on about how to paint simple things like even an orange, a teapot, an artist's mannequin. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I paint my little dog. Her name is Bella, she's a Jack Russell, and I really love doing pet portraits. So in this video it'll be the underpainting. So I'll see you again on the other side of the video. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll just give you a sneak preview. This is the finished painting, which I'll be uploading in the near future. So please subscribe if you don't want to miss that. Also, if you'd like to learn to paint, I've just started my own Patreon channel, and for a small monthly fee, you can follow the processes in real time as I take you through simple paintings. And if you're interested in commissioning an artist for a pet portrait, you can contact me through my website. And if you want to know the materials I used for this painting, well, everything is in the description below. Okay, please subscribe. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.